Get ready to cruise with me on the Carnival Vista.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move?
We drove 4.5 hours from Dallas to Galveston. We decided to leave the day before the cruise due to reports about bad construction and traffic jams on Highway 45. We stayed overnight at the Spring Hill Suites by Marriott in Webster, which is right outside of Houston. I booked the hotel through Hotels.com, and the overnight price was around $150 after taxes. The hotel had a nice contemporary vibe, and the room was equipped with a separate shower and toileting area, a spacious closet, plenty of seating space, including a couch, a table, a desk, a refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of access to USB ports. From 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., the hotel serves a buffet-style breakfast, which included fluffy pancakes, sausage, eggs, juice, bagels, muffins, fruit, cereal, and oatmeal. The hotel is about 25 minutes away from Galveston. It's over there in the distance, and the Dream is also docked here. We're going to be parking our vehicle here at Easy Cruise, and it should be probably about a 5-minute shuttle ride over to the ship. All right. If you're traveling out of Galveston, make sure to pack patience. The main street outside the port only supports one-way traffic each way and can get quite congested with passengers exiting and arriving to the port at the same time. Cruising is definitely back, and with it has come the long lines and crowds. You know, I travel out of Galveston because it's convenient and the closest port to Dallas. However, it's always a chaotic and frustrating experience leaving from this port. Expect the long line outside the port, expect the line inside the port, expect the line at check-in, and a line at registration. The whole process took about an hour and 15 minutes. Prepare to get hot and sweaty while in line, as the port does not have air conditioning until you get upstairs to the registration area. After this, prepare for an extremely long walk down the gangway to make entry to the ship. This is a Cove balcony room located on the second floor. This is your standard cruise ship bathroom. Nothing spectacular. The room, as you can see, comes with a couch, and a full-size bed, along with a desk area, which contains a refrigerator and a mirror vanity. Also, lots of closet space, a safe, and lots of drawer space. It was a decent sized room. And here is the Cove balcony. It appears to be the same size as a regular balcony.
Cruise, y'all. Y'all show the floor, DJ Timmy.
Yes, people, this is my 60-year-old mother dancing her ass off and living her best life. If you enjoy her dancing, drop a heart in the comments section.
I can't hear you. Come on. Here we go now. Push it up. Here we go.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for a tour of the Vista coming up next. Please hit that like button and subscribe.